Places, and a while ago 4 million items for sale. It means we need to keep raising the bar on how easy it is to find wonderful items across our marketplaces and to discover the beautiful things, the incredibly useful things for your creative projects. So we're really excited to have resources dedicated to improving search across the sites, as well as our site experience guys who are constantly focused on improving the experience of everything you do on Envato marketplaces.
In just a few short months, we've completely rebuilt our search platform from the ground up. We've gone from 3 separate technologies across all our marketplaces, including Solr, Sphinx and Elasticsearch, and we've consolidated down to one streamlined solution, which is powered by Elasticsearch, and we're going to be rolling that out over the next 1 to 2 months.
Our old search platform is starting to struggle under the heavy load of search queries we're seeing. We're getting slow response times and occasional lockups requiring a full manual server restart, usually at 3 AM in the morning. On top of that, the code base is really complicated. We had to build new features incorporating 3 different search backends, and it took a long time to build anything. Now with our clustered Elasticsearch platform, we can build new features fast. We've got fast response times in the milliseconds, great stability. We've got a lot of room to grow with the data volume and the traffic growth that we're seeing. We're currently in the dark launch phase of the project. We're capturing and replaying traffic from production in real time against the offline Elasticsearch cluster. This means we can stress test and verify everything before we launch it to the public and be pretty confident that everything's going to work fine with no problems. With the new code base and the technology stack, it also means we can iterate and try out new ideas a lot faster. It used to take about 4 hours before to do a full rebuild of the search index. Now it takes about 15 minutes. So it means we can get feedback really rapidly on any new ideas we want to try out.
It's a really exciting time for search. We've got this great new platform that's really robust and flexible, and we've got this awesome new team, and we're actually really excited about being able to roll out some of the most requested features from our community. At the moment we are working on comment search, so the ability to search within an item's comments, which has been highly requested from our authors and buyers, and our new platform makes this a lot easier for us to roll out. Aside from that, with the rollout of the new platform, you'll be able to see some improvements to relevancy, including the ability to search by author.
With 8 separate marketplace sites and a significant number of buyers looking for items on more than one site, we identified an opportunity to help buyers find items on other marketplaces more easily. We've been talking to buyers and looking at data to analyse buyer behaviour, and what we've discovered is that many buyers, when they're looking for items, require more than one kind of item for their creative project. This is why soon we'll be testing a new marketplaces header, which will make it easier to see and navigate to all 8 marketplaces in just one click. We look forward to hearing your thoughts.
We've also just started work on envatomarketplaces.com, a new site that aims to bring the 8 marketplaces a little bit closer together. It's going to start life as a pretty simple landing page, mostly targeted at new buyers. It's going to introduce the 8 marketplaces and the key categories within them, showcase incredible items for sale, feature interesting people in the community, encourage buyers to sign up, and of course, start searching. Having a central site like this paves the way for important features like cross-site search, and we're really looking forward to launching this soon.
We have so many great items on our sites, and we really want to give them the attention they deserve. So you might have seen our new inspiration emails where we now handpick the very best items from the marketplaces. We all love the work our authors are doing, and we really want to make sure we're showcasing more of it to the world.
So we're really excited to have resources dedicated to improving search across the sites, as well as the user experience of everything in our marketplaces. And we're thrilled to have lifted the bar on our tech so that we can keep delivering better and better experiences to our community. So we're experiencing a lot of growth in marketplaces, and we're now dedicating engineers to make sure we do it right for our community.
Hi, I'm James Ross. I'm the Engineering Director for Envato Marketplaces, and one of my key responsibilities is making sure the marketplaces can scale to meet the amazing growth we're experiencing. Now, growth is fantastic for everybody, but it also has its challenges. The main one being that as things grow, they can't stay the same. They have to change. So just like you can't build an apartment block by stacking houses on top of each other, you actually need a different design. One of the other key challenges of our fantastic growth is that events that used to be quite rare become much more common. So if you're doing 100 million page views a month, then you have by definition 1 in a million events happening every month that you have to deal with. And meeting that challenge is difficult. So we call the kind of thinking that deals with these issues 10x. And that represents the idea that as we're solving these problems, we need to be solving them to deal with 10 times the load that we're under today. And we've built a new team and given that focus to them full time so that we can give our community the best experience possible as we grow.
Recently we appointed one of our longest serving members of the Envato community as community manager here in Marketplaces.
Hi everyone, my name is Scott. I am the community manager here at Envato. I've been involved with Envato for 7 years now, almost since day one when the first marketplace launched. The Envato marketplace community is really unique and special. We've grown now to over 3 million members across the world, and I like to think of the community as being the heart and soul of everything that Envato strives to do. It'll be my honour to be able to represent that voice internally at Envato.
So we just hit our 7th birthday, and to celebrate we shared with all authors a 70% commission for some days and launched to our elite authors Google Analytics, which will help them analyse their sources of traffic and help market their items. There's more coming up for authors too. We're looking at the welcome mat for new authors and probably abolishing the author quiz. And for existing authors, we're really lifting the bar on your sales dashboard. We're really excited about what we've got ahead at Envato, and we hope you are too.